Hi everybody, this is Darnell, and today I'm going to work on another tumbler. This is a 20-ounce modern curve from Hog. So I decided I was going to try something similar to what I did in the last video. Stained glass look, but I'm going to do a coverall. So I'm going to have no place on this tumbler that doesn't have glitter on it. I'm a glutton for punishment. I found glitter everywhere after my last video. And I'm going to get it out again. Stay. Okay, so the idea is I'm going to put a bunch of circles around the cup, and I cut them out. Oops, here we are. Cut them out on my Cricut. I just went to shapes and then just resized them. Made them a whole bunch of different sizes. There's no rhyme or reason. And then I'm going to randomly put them on the cup. Let's start with one of the big ones. I'm probably not going to need very many of these. So everywhere that I'm putting down a circle is going to be a different glitter color. The background is going to be solid black glitter. Now I have made a cup very similar to this about 4 years ago, and I really loved how it came out. I gave it to a friend of mine and she still uses it today. I love when I see her carrying that. Makes my heart happy. So let's do one of these little baby ones here. This here is Cricut removable vinyl. Let's see, I'm going to do another big one over here. Let's kind of go across. I'm on the curve a little bit. Doesn't want to lay down. So this, it's going to have a few bubbles in it, and that's okay. Yeah, that's fine to have the bubbles there. You just don't want them around the edges because you don't want your glue to get up underneath there. I'm going to look around the cup and see if it needs anything. Ooh, that's cool. I think I'm going to put a little one right there. I got one more left anyway. Yeah, like that. Okay. I think we're good. So I'm going to get this out of here. When I did this a couple years ago, I remembered one thing. The bigger one's not much of a problem, but these little guys, after you start getting that black glitter on there, you kind of lose them. You don't think you will, but you do. So this time around, I'm going to get a little smarter. And I'm going to put some hot glue on top of each dot so that I can tell where they are after the glitter is on the cup. Okay. Let's do that. Oh, you know what? I want to put one on the bottom too. All right. Mod Podge is what's inside this little cup here. We're going to start applying the black glitter to the background, and this is Pirate Metallic Fine by AB Designs. Yeah, I really like this black. Okay. And I found that if you do small sections, then your glue won't dry as bad on you. Alright, so we just got some random colors here. We got Mr. Noller's Glitter Boiling Mad Junior. Then we have Electric Kiss, Let It Go Glitter Guy, and Pot o' Luck. Put these here. And then this I got at Joann's. It's Topaz. This here is Mr. Noller's Glitter Metallic TCHOUPITOULAS. No, I ain't gonna try to say all that. Dilly Dilly, the glitter guy. This one was in a cheap pack from Walmart. I have no idea. This is Mr. Noller's Glitter Fife. And then this is Mr. Noller's Glitter Purple Monkey. And it is a little bit bigger cut, so hopefully that works out. One thing you do want is to make sure your glitters are small cut and not chunky. Alright, and then off a camera, I took my brush, which I'm looking for, and I did clean up these vinyl areas. You got just a little bit of a ledge from where your black glitter is, so that kind of helps. You can get butt up against it. Okay, I'm going to do this over the trash can, but I'm going to lightly just go around that circle and get some of that blue out of that black. Voila. Oh man, that looks good. What do you think? Okay, so now I'm going to let this dry for a couple days, and then I'll spray seal it really well, probably many times. And then after that, then I will put a coat of resin on it, and then I will show you what it looks like. All right, so I have 2 coats of resin on this, and it has been sanded down. I thought it'd be neat if we put a little bit of an accent. I don't think I want it all the way at the bottom. Maybe something about right here would look good. This here is Nail Striping Tape Line, Von Ruy. So here we are. I think this turned out fantastic. Look at those colors. Now you can see where a few of the colored glitter got into the black, and it's almost impossible to not have a few do that. But I did spray seal it a couple times, but I didn't brush it after I did that to see if there were any loose ones. And I think that might have been the step that I missed that I should have done. But there's just a few of them, and you know what? It is handmade, so it's not going to be perfect. And I just think it just came out fantastic. What do you guys think? I might keep this one for myself. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. And I hope you try this.